Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learning. In my last video of Kafka, I have talked about how to create and install Kafka topic, how to work with Zookeeper, how to create topic, and how to send string messages from producer and to consume those messages from the topic by consumer. And pretty much all the things we have done using command prompt of Kafka. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to produce string messages to the Kafka topic using Spring Boot Java application. So guys, let's get started. So you can see that I have created Spring Boot Kafka producer example. So this is the first step. Just create a plain vanilla Spring Boot application. So that will have a plain main method along with this Spring Boot application with @Spring Boot annotation. And I'm running this my application on port 8087 as you can see. So the first step is to create the Spring Boot application. Second step is to add the dependency. So the related dependency for Kafka is org spring framework.kafka provides Spring Kafka dependency. So we need to add this. At the same time, I'm using Spring Web MVC. I'll be creating a REST controller and request mapping methods to pass the data to my topic. So that is why I'm using Spring Boot Starter Web dependency. So this is the second step. So the third step is to use the request mapping methods to pass the data to the topic. So let's create one package called resource and create a class called user resource. Okay, as I said that this will be my request map REST controller and request mapping. So let's say request mapping is some uh, string called Kafka learning. Okay, and in this controller I'll be having one get mapping so that I can show you in the browser with the mapping of /publish/ let's accept a name from the browser. Okay, and make it as return some string variable so that I can see what message it's returning after success execution of the method. So post message. Okay, and as I mentioned, it will accept name variable. All right, and let's make this name variable as final string name. Return this published successfully. Yeah, so that we'll get to know that whether it has published successfully or not. So now, if you remember in communication of REST API world or communicating REST methods, we'll be having REST template. In same way, in the Kafka world, we will be having a Kafka template. So we need to auto wire or we need to inject Kafka template. Okay, we need to inject Kafka template in order to communicate the messages for Kafka. So as I am sending a string type of message, so I am passing a string as an argument in the Kafka template. So we are all set to send the data using the Kafka template. So in this post message, I will be accepting this name and this name I will be sending to Kafka topic using Kafka template dot. You can see we are having so many methods. Okay, to work with Kafka template. I'll be using send method and you can see that send method accept two parameter topic and topic name, that is string type, and second type is data, which is string type, which has to be passed to this topic. So I have already created in my last video test 789 as a topic. I'll be using the same topic to pass the name message here. So we are all set to run this application and see whether my name has been published to this topic or not. So let's start the server. And our mapping will be Kafka learning / publish / name. So you can see that my server has been started. Tomcat started on port 8087, started application. So let's go to browser and hit this on 8087. So you can see that 8087 Kafka learning / publish / we need to give some name. So let's give welcome to Kafka learning by Ved. Okay, let's hit that. So you can see that once we executed this URL pattern, we got the method which we have returned here. So the Kafka template has sent this name to this topic. So let's verify by going to the consumer of this template. You can see that the message which we have sent, the string message which we have sent using Java, has been consumed by this consumer from the topic. Let's publish one more message. And you can see the same result, and go ahead and verify here. So you can see that the string messages, couple of string messages which we have published to this topic test 789 had been received to this consumer by this topic, consumer of this topic. So guys, this is how you can publish the string message using Java Spring Boot application using Kafka template and the send method. In the next video, I'll be talking about how you can pass or how you can send JSON messages using Kafka template to the consumer. I mean to the topic, and the consumer would be subscribing that. So in that sense, I would be serializing the JSON message or your user defined, your DTO or your model classes which you want to send as part of your message. That has to be the JSON message has to be serialized. So as I said that Kafka template accepts string by default. So in the string message world, we could not have to send this serialization part of it. Whereas for the JSON message, we do need to serialize, and we will see that using producer factory configuration in the same example which I am showing now. So let's meet in the next video, and I hope that you like this video informative, and if you like, so please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel Easy Learning yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.